Are you ready to turbocharge your income from the comfort of your couch without needing a fancy degree, tons of experience, or anything more than a laptop? That's exactly what we'll be unpacking in this video. The secrets of making money in your underwear using AI. Think of AI as your golden ticket to a treasure chest of opportunities. Today, I'm spilling the beans on the 5 most ingenious, tried and true methods of earning cash with AI. These aren't just theories, they're gold mines waiting to be tapped into that are building upon decades-old business models. So no worries here about saturation or if it's still working. Now, before we jump in, a huge shout out to my sponsor, VidIQ. VidIQ is my virtual AI right-hand man for coming up with new video ideas and optimizing them before I go ahead and hit publish. Thanks again, VidIQ, and now let's go ahead and dive in. With this first method, you become a social media superhero with AI as your cape and boots. Here's the scoop. We're about to dive into the red-hot world of social media management using AI as your co-pilot. Imagine you're at the helm of a social media sailboat with AI as your trusty sidekick. It's where your creative spark meets tech magic, cooking up a business that's not just a moneymaker, but a total thrill ride. Your quest to help brands and entrepreneurs conquer social media. And you're not just going to be tossing up photos. You're going to be building digital kingdoms, amassing armies of followers, and turning those reactions into treasure chests. And in this model, AI is your sneaky sidekick, hidden but powerful. To start, let's look at Taplio, your LinkedIn wizard. This isn't just another app. It's like your brainstorm buddy. It's gonna dish out ideas, catchy lines, even full-blown LinkedIn posts. Picture generating hyper-viral LinkedIn post with one single click. Posts that weave tales, hook readers, and pull in crowds. It's like having a brainstorming beast made up of the top 1% of LinkedIn writing geniuses in your pocket. Plus, you get to add your own spice to every single post to make it unmistakably yours. But hold your horses, there's way more. Running social media isn't just about getting creative. It's about playing it smart. With AI, juggle multiple clients, boost your output, and skyrocket your influence all on autopilot. You're not just managing social media. You're a digital wizard waving a wand of content that sings to people and brings home the bacon. But here's the twist. This isn't pie in the sky stuff. It's real, grab it by the horns opportunity. Kick off with your first client, maybe a neighborhood shop or an up-and-coming entrepreneur. Whip out the AI tools like Taplio to massively up their social media game. Show off the muscle of AI-crafted content and watch their online world just explode. From there, it's a rolling snowball. More clients, bigger splash, and even chunkier paychecks. This isn't just a weekend gig, it's a gold mine waiting for you to plant your flag. With AI as your secret sauce, the social media universe is ripe for the taking. Imagine raking in anywhere from $300 all the way up to $10,000 a month for every new client you connect into your social media AI engine. That's a fast track to replacing your income with just a handful of clients. And just so you're aware, I've sold big brands upwards of $15,000 a month to manage their social media before AI even existed. So getting these fat checks is not impossible. It just takes a little bit of work. Comment social media co-pilot below and let me know if you want a deep dive tutorial on exactly how to set this business up, just like I did in the past. Now, did you know the number of businesses who have adopted AI, even now a year after ChatGPT has been released, is still under 1% of all the businesses out there. These businesses know they need AI, they just have no clue where to start. And that's where you come in. Get ready to blast off into the world of AI optimization services. Picture yourself as the tech hero of tomorrow, wielding AI to tackle real-life challenges of businesses. Think about it. There's tons of companies out there craving AI help. They know that AI is the future, but they're just wandering in a tech maze. It's all going over their head. That's where you swoop in, like a digital superhero, guiding them into a world where everything's smoother, everything's smarter, and it's all thanks to AI. Let's chop this up into doable chunks first. First step, dive into AI. You don't need to be a coding whiz, you don't need to be a technical genius, just get the hang of AI tools and their business boosting powers. There's a treasure trove of online courses and resources out there to get your gears turning. Test the tools, find the right tools, and build your AI tool belt. Next up, strategy time. Look for businesses stuck in the old ways. Your goal is companies that could leapfrog into new heights with just a sprinkle of AI magic. Offer these businesses a free sneak peek consultation. And that's right, you heard me. I said free. This is your golden ticket to get in front of a decision maker to show off AI's awesomeness. When it's go time for the consultation, you just need to deep dive into their workflow. Are they just tangled up in manual data work? Is their customer service dragging them down? Spot these sore spots and identify your AI fixes. It's like being a tech doctor, spotting the problems and prescribing AI cures. But the real thrill, you get to flex your creative muscles. Every business is different. Customize your AI solutions to fit like a glove just for them. It's like tailoring a suit that's just right, making each business look and feel smart, on point, and absolutely game-changing. As you start scoring wins, you'll be the talk of the town. More clients are going to line up and your agency will just boom. And we're not just talking about a few $100 here or there. When you're solving real challenges for any business, there's massive monetary gain for them. And you can take a cut of that savings or sales improvement and be banking as much as $100,000 per client. Let's switch gears here and let's talk about e-commerce and AI. This is a dynamic duo set to revolutionize the way you sell online. Imagine crafting an online store that's not just a shop, but a magnet for customers, all thanks to some AI magic. Let's go ahead and embark on an e-commerce adventure where AI is your trusty sidekick, making every step easier and every sale smoother. Let's break into the actionable gold nuggets first. To start, you want to harness the power of AI to discover trending niches and products. Imagine a tool like ChatGPT not just as a chatbot, but as your personal market researcher, digging up gold mines of products and ideas. It's like having a crystal ball showing you what customers want next. When you have your product ideas, it's time to bring those product ideas to life. Have you ever thought designing could be as easy as just chatting? Enter AI tools like Midjourney. Enter AI tools like OpenAI's DALL-E 3. It's like waving a magic wand over your ideas and watching them transform into stunning designs and logos. And all you have to do is type in some words into ChatGPT. Say goodbye to those hefty design fees and hello to breathtaking designs that captivate customers. Now you've got your AI-generated hot product and killer designs. Next up is setting up your online store. This is where AI can become your digital architect. Tools like Bluehost Wondersuite let you build an e-commerce website with ease. It's like constructing a digital empire brick by brick, but AI is the one doing the heavy lifting. You're the visionary and AI is that skilled builder putting it up brick by brick. And let's not forget about tools like Adobe Firefly. This isn't just some image editing tool. It's your ticket to creating professional, eye-catching product images that make your customers stop and stare. It's like having a top-notch editor and photographer in your pocket. With AI, your product photos can look so good, customers can't help but hit the add to cart button. But wait, there's even more. Ever looked at a competitor's website and thought, I wish my website was just as engaging? AI's got your back here. Now with AI, you can recreate or even outshine your competitor's website. It's like having a spy who's also a creative and design genius. And when it comes to marketing, AI is your ace in the hole. Remember those social media tools we just talked about? They're not just for influencers. Use those tools to craft posts, make images, make videos, and make your products absolutely irresistible. How you doing? If videos are your thing, AI video editors can make you short-form, hyper-engaging content that can become viral sensations. In a nutshell, AI is transforming e-commerce from a game of chance to a science of success. With AI, you're not just building a store, you're architecting a wallet-out, ready-to-buy customer magnet. And with AI, you're not just selling products, you're creating an experience. This isn't just the future of e-commerce, it's your golden opportunity to be at the forefront of this retail revolution. Now, a question for you. Have you ever wanted to flip a switch and see dollar signs fly at your face? With that, let's talk about the world of AI automated affiliate marketing, where earning passive income can become as easy as flipping a switch. Imagine a world where AI does the heavy lifting and you reap the rewards. This isn't just a side hustle, it's your gateway to financial freedom powered by the smartest tech on the planet. First things first, let's demystify affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is super simple. You promote products, people buy through your links, and you earn a sweet commission. But here's the game changer. Doing it all with AI. Step 1, choose your niche. Think of this as picking your battlefield. Stick to what you're passionate about. Gadgets, beauty products, AI tools themselves, pick what you love. Next, it's time to build your digital storefront, your website. This is where AI comes in like a superhero. Forget about spending days on website design. Tools like Bluehost's AI website builder transform your ideas into sleek, professional websites in no time. It's like having a team of $200 an hour expert web designers in your pocket. Now let's talk about the heart of affiliate marketing, content creation. AI is also your secret weapon here. Platforms like ChatGPT and Copy AI are like having a team of tireless writers churning out engaging, SEO-friendly content that drives you traffic. It's like having your own personal copywriter that's crafting compelling stories to turn readers into buyers 24/7. But what about those eye-catching images? Enter DALL-E 3 from OpenAI. This AI tool is your personal graphic designer, creating visuals that'll make your content pop. It's like painting with a digital brush where every stroke is a masterpiece. And here's where it gets really exciting. You can automate your marketing using AI. Imagine scheduling weeks of content in advance, with AI ensuring every post is optimized for maximum engagement. It's like setting a digital trap that catches leads while you sleep. The beauty of AI automated affiliate marketing is it's scalable. You can start small and grow exponentially without having to hire an expensive team. It's just you, your computer, a pair of underpants, and AI. And there you have it, your roadmap for making a fortune with AI from the comfort of your couch. Remember, AI isn't just for coders and tech wizards, it's for anyone daring enough to take action. Check out these videos for more great hustles and hit subscribe.